Now that I've created all 3 of the layouts from the Close to My Heart Yesterday and Today workshop, I'm going to review the art that we've made here with this collection. This first layout is probably my favorite. I love the subtle details, the softness and the grays and the pinks. I love that I've been able to tell the story of my grandmother, her early years and her today. I love the interactivity of this page with the pocket, all of these florals and the layered pieces that help to build such a detailed page. I just love how it all came together. And let's take a look at the second project. You really get a variety of looks in this collection here. So this one's a little more aged, a little more antiqued. And again, these floral clusters really help accent your photos. And you've got so many different things going on with the wood, the stickers, the spiral flowers that actually give dimension. It's such a beautiful layout. You've got sticker titles, and all of this comes together to help focus your attention on your photos. Now on this third one, you've got a lot more of an eclectic look. You've got a variety of pictures that all fit into a fun collection of old frames. And again, this is a layout I did of my grandparents, but you could easily tell a story with all the different heritage photos you might have. You might only have one photo of a lot of different people in your history, and this would be a great way to document how all the different people in your life played a part into who you have become. I think the thing I love most about this Yesterday and Today collection is that it helps us to focus our attention on some of those stories that need to be told, whether it's just us documenting our current life for our posterity. That's just as important as going back in time and documenting older stories. So whatever you have access to, whatever story you have to tell, share it with the Yesterday and Today collection, and you'll be so happy you did. Enjoy the process, and thanks for joining me today.